Guess what? I've come to a lake and it is windy today. I'd say the gusts are 25 miles per hour plus. There is a storm coming tonight. I thought it was going to be calm before the storm, but apparently not. It feels like it's a hot, humid day with an oncoming hurricane nearby. So the challenge today for me is, can I catch fish on a windy day like this? Hey, I'm gonna try it. My question to you is, would you be able to enjoy a day that is this windy, trying to catch fish, trying to paddle your canoe or kayak? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and let's see if we can catch some fish today. Let's do this. Onward. Yeah. Oh, it's a nice yellow perch. It's a nice yellow perch. Ooh, you felt bigger. And you are bigger, yes sir. That is a nice yellow perch. Yeah, got action. So under the boat. Stay on. What are you? Oh! Oh, a whopper. Look at that. That's beautiful. That feels hefty in my hand. You went for a fairly big sized worm on this one. Just over 8 inches. That's a whopper. Drop shotting for panfish. Gotta get the right spot, you know? I used about 1/4 of a pretty big night crawler. That is nice. What do you think? There you go. Pretty. Compare that to the yellow perch. Different shapes. Oh. Is that a perfect ball? On a small hook? Try to keep it all on there so they don't steal. Ooh, aggressive! Yeah! Pretty oranges. Yeah. Pretty colors. Yeah. Ooh, right under the boat. I like that. Totally hiding in these weeds. You see them right here? But I'm not casting right into the weeds. I'm casting right on the edge. Not going too far on this lake. It's super windy today. I'm trying to stay on the protected side. A beauty! Under the boat again. Pretty. white perch. I missed you guys this year. That's a nice one. Fishing on a windy day. The wind only messes up our day, but for the fish, it's fine. They got the energy and the muscle to fight the wind and the current. If you're brave enough to get out on a windy day and cast, you'll get fish. Probably another sunny. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, yeah. Look at that fight. Look at that fight. Who has who? They want my worm today. And I thank you for that. There you go. Now that's a messed up worm, but they love it. I caught 3 about this size, which is nice. Nice chunkiness. Nice color. Thanks for watching, everyone. This was my fishing challenge, and I'm happy that I found fish that stuck around in such choppy waters. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell. And we'll see you next time. I want to do a double shot. Like that. Like at the Bassmasters. But with bluegill.